My name's Tom Burns, I'm Technical Director for Octane Refuelling Systems. I've worked here for 15 years. So Octane have been using the Sapphire one in our home depot and supplying the Sapphire one successfully to our clients for over 12 years now. The Sapphire's ability to integrate with many different types of existing infrastructure and the ability to provide a bespoke fuel management system to each individual client makes the Sapphire one of the best on the market. The Sapphire 2 has seamless integration with existing pumps and infrastructure. It was straightforward to install with our existing kit, so the pump and the gauge, and the whole process was seamless from start to finish. Being able to track every litre of fuel and cross-charge fuel through Octane's group of companies has massively reduced administrative costs across the group of businesses. So from an engineer's point of view, the extra space inside the terminal box is a vast improvement. Being able to work easily inside there, replace parts, and especially the new modular design makes it easier to maintain and install. It's a fantastic design and layout, making the components quick and easy to replace. It will also help us in the future with clients who have got a bit of technical ability to swap those parts without us needing to attend site, which is a big cost saving to the client. The Sapphire 2 is perfect for any refuel installation in the commercial sector. The benefits of being able to use fuel cards, key tags, on-site access cards, or a mixture of all three make it unique and versatile for any client.